Since its founding in 1988, Festival Ballet Theater has become one of Southern California's most vibrant and accomplished professional ballet companies. The recent Gala of the Stars presented by Festival Ballet Theater under the direction of Salwa Rizkallah in association with Youth America Grand Prix proved this once again. Featuring distinguished dancers in the world of ballet, alongside impressive up-and-coming talent, the event provided an exciting evening for the classical ballet devotee.
It's practically a gala that just shows off everyone's talent, and it showcases today's stars and tomorrow's stars, and it helps others see what you can be and what you can accomplish.
The evening featured internationally acclaimed guest artists Lorena Fejo and Vitor Luis, both principals from San Francisco Ballet, and Daniil Simkin, a soloist from American Ballet Theater. Noting the importance of sharing the stage with accomplished dancers in the development of a young dancer, the guest artists talk about their own experiences when they were young and also provide some professional advice to the young performers.
In general, I find it very important to have this kind of festivals where we bring accomplished dancers and up-and-coming dancers and students together, because all in all, that's the epitome of dance and ballet to have. It is an art form which is being brought down from generation to generation, and it's important to learn from each other and with each other. I would say an advice to dancers in general: work very hard, but also very smart, because it's one thing to work very hard, but it's hard to find the difference between hard and too hard, because we have to listen to our bodies, to our minds, and in that sense you have to be smart about it and not just work 24/7. And all in all, I would recommend any dancer to see themselves as a person first and then a dancer. And I was in a certain way very privileged, because my father himself was a dancer, and he took me to galas, and he helped me to start performing and have opportunities. And in that sense, I still remember one gala. It was in Budapest, Hungary, where I was dancing alongside Svetlana Zakharova, was around 18 then, and Igor Zelinsky and Johan Koborg and all these dancers. And you know, it's fascinating because it enriches you so much and it gives you so much motivation that I still look back and I'm smiling inside, you know.
I think it's good to have a contact with the kids once again, because it reminds us once we were in their position. Like, I used to watch, I had the opportunity to be in the same room and the same stage with Igor Zelensky when I was 16 or 17, and I was looking up to him.
Even if you feel like you didn't get to where at one point you dreamed of, because it is a very hard career in a way, you know, it needs a lot of devotion and discipline, and everybody's not cut out the same way, and physical abilities and all of that. But if you see it as a great experience, like you said, that made you full of knowledge in like music ways, in developing your ability to think fast and to coordinate and to live with others, because you live very much with others in community. I think you have not lost anything. You know, you have only gained in your life. In fact, people that I have seen that study ballet and then they go into something else, they seem to be more focused, or they seem to be good conquerors, you know, people that have goals and they achieve them because the ballet or learning ballet taught them a sense of discipline and a sense of following really what you want. And for the others that are going to make it, the advice is like, never take anything for granted and enjoy every minute of it, because whatever is past, you can't rewind. Whatever, and this is part of why dancers become a little bit of perfectionists, and we're so hard on ourselves, because we know that once the moment is gone, it's gone. It's not something that you can replay or you can revisit, you know. So enjoy each moment for what it is, and just try to bring joy to it, which sometimes is a big how do you say, I wouldn't say problem, but we get so consumed into wanting to do it right that we forget the fun of it. And I think part of it is always bringing that in as well.
Much work went into the production of the event, and some last-minute additional touch-ups were being made hours before the performance.
I think you guys are going to go with Florencia. There's like 2 8 counts that the 3 of you guys need to fill. Big excitement.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Do you want to turn?
I can do a circle. He can turn.
No, I'll do a switch leap. So if he's in the center turning, you can go across the front.
Yeah.
And I'll go across the back.
Perfect.
Okay. You get that? You're going to be in the center turning, and he's going to go across the front. I'm going to go across the back. So just...
With events such as Gala of the Stars, Festival Ballet Theater hopes to attract more people to ballet and dance in general, while also inspiring a new generation of dancers.
It's important to dance alongside stars like Daniel Simpkin and Lorena Fejo, because it inspires you to become a better dancer.
As the young dancers look on while the guest artists perform, one can see the hope in their eyes that they too will reach those stars.